Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, and we do have mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board, blind spot detection with mud flaps on the front. We do have a nice black hood deflector with two tow hooks. There's a block heater back there, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior with some lime green accents, plenty of door space, cup holders with a 12-volt, and 2 USB-Cs. And of course, you can lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake, and lights on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8.8 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Taking a look at the screen up here, we do have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Over here you have tons of storage with more storage there, cup holders, storage underneath, USB and USB-C, leather wrap center console with more storage underneath. You have your drive modes, rear locking diff, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, your climate controls right there. You have a 12-volt and 2 USB-Cs, as well as you do have storage right here and below, storage above. And looking here, you have your auto stop, auto start, backup camera, hazards, and traction. And looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE61400, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.